Okay, this is a lawn roller. Okay, it may be any wheel and which is connected with a handle, and we either push it and we pull it. Okay, we can push it and we pull it. So in this case we are pulling this, so we have to prove that pulling a lawn roller is easier than to push it. Okay, so scientifically we have to prove. We know that pulling is easier, but scientifically, by the logic of physics, we have to prove this. So you see this, in this the weight of this wheel is downward, vertically downward, and force is applying outward direction because this is pulling. So in this case we can say that the direction of force is this. Now this force can be split into two components, rectangular component. One is this and other is this. Okay, this angle is theta, so this is F cos theta, and this one is F sin theta. Okay, now we are this wheel is moving in this direction, so force of friction will act here, F. Now all the forces are clear, and reaction of this, that will also act, reaction of wheel, that will also act in this direction, R. Okay, so in the equilibrium condition, R plus F sin theta will be equal to W. We can write here R plus F sin theta equal to W. Okay, and R equal to minus F sin theta. Okay, and we know a relation between kinetic friction and R, so Fk equal to mu k into R. So mu k, W is weight, mg, minus Fs, F sin theta. Okay, so we see here force of friction is less than weight because a component of force reducing the weight, that is the effective weight we feel here, that is W minus F sin theta, mg minus F sin theta. Now let us consider example of pushing. Now we are pushing here, so the direction of force will be like this. In this case, direction of force is this. Now from horizontal, it is making angle, this angle is theta, so this is also theta, so this one is F cos theta, and this is F sin theta, and this is R reaction. Okay, so suppose this is R dash, so we can say R dash equal to W plus F sin theta. Okay, and Fk dash here equal to mu k into R dash, so it will be mu k W plus F sin theta. So simply we can say this is Fk equal to, you see, mu k W minus F sin theta, and here mu k W plus F sin theta. So clear, Fk dash greater than Fk. That means in case of pushing, force of friction is more in case of pushing. Okay, so it is easier to pull a body than to push it.